Our newest home is located in a quiet and green enclave of Orleans. It's move-in ready and has no front or rear neighbors. Want to see more? Let's check it out. 1732 Shamandura Lane is a gem for first-time homebuyers, young families, and downsizers alike. Here's why. It has no front or rear neighbors, it has some brand new flooring and lighting, and it's 100% move-in ready. Chelsea will tell you more about the neighborhood before we head inside.
Convent Glen is one of Orleans' most sought-after areas for good reason. Number one, you're close to the Ottawa River. Two, you're just minutes away from the greenbelt and beautiful scenic trails. And lastly, you're only a hop away from the Jeanne d'Arc station, giving you easy access to the LRT. The neighborhood features beautiful townhomes, mature trees, and access to parks like Barnabé Park, which is right across the street. This home is perfect for young families and outdoor lovers alike. Check out our YouTube feature for more information on Convent Glen.
This home was built in 1987 and has 1,212 square feet above the basement, with another 202 in the basement. This bright main floor has a bay window, a dining area, powder room, and a kitchen with eat-in space and patio doors that lead to your private deck.
The private backyard backs directly onto green space with no rear neighbors. It's quiet, peaceful, and the perfect spot to enjoy a summer barbecue or your morning cup of coffee. The basement has been refreshed too, with an inviting den perfect for a home office or playroom. There's also tons of storage.
Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or looking for a peaceful place to live, 1732 Shamandura Lane has everything you're looking for. To see floor plans, pre-list home inspection, 3D tour, and more, visit nickfundytus.ca.
Want to see this home in person? Contact me and the team today for a private tour. Or do you know someone who would fall in love with this home? Share this video with them. We'd love to help them make their perfect move.
This home was built in 1987 and has 1,212 square feet above the basement. The basement? Sorry, is it above grade?
So confident. 1 second. Okay.